Check it out, guys. We got a 2004 E55 AMG V8 compressor. Look at this beast. You don't find these a lot. It's got a lot of mods done to it. It's pushing over 600 horsepower. This is probably one of the only Mercedes you'll see with what? Long tube headers. Right there and right there. You don't see these Mercedes with long tube headers all the time. Right there, right there. Then he brought it in and we finished it off for him. We put him 2 Flowmaster high flow cats there and there that he brought. There's the part number. It's 2000130. There'll be a link in the description for it. 2000130. Then he had a custom X pipe right there. And then the rest of it, and we clamped it and welded and all that, made it nice and clean for him. He kept the stock resonator on it and the stock mufflers for now, as you guys can see there and there. And then at the end, got this classic AMG tips. As you guys can see there. Got a nice stance to it. It's a very clean car, E55 AMG. It was the Mac Daddy back in the day. The biggest motor that comes in these, which is a V8. So there it is. So we're gonna show you guys how it sounds in a second. Stay tuned. All right, guys, E55 AMG with long tube headers. You can tell this is a beast. But right now, he just wants to keep it as a sleeper, so it's not crazy loud. Doesn't sound too bad. I like it. Your sound decibels? Right at 94. So it's got a lot of upgraded parts on the engine bay. So it's pushing around 600 horsepower. And a 4-door sedan. And it's got like, look at that on top, guys. It's got solar power panels. I don't know why, but that's cool. Yeah, it's got solar panel. Huh, I'm gonna ask him about that. You guys see that in the camera? I don't know if you guys can see it. That's interesting. It sounds really good. I love the slick design on them too. They're really clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. So it's got the competition package on it too, guys. Look at this thing. It is mint. Wow. Let's check out under the hood. We got Reed, the owner of this vehicle, and he's gonna tell us about all the stuff he's got done to it.
Currently nothing special, just got the motor back in.
The charger go up.
They got on it.
Yeah.
Fully ported blower, race IQ cams, Wiseco pistons, BRP, 92mm throttle body, and BRP long tube headers, full exhaust all the way back. We're hoping to make somewhere around 600 horsepower. We'll see.
We will see. That's awesome.
It's got every creature feature anyone could ever want.
Sucker's massive. What does this thing weigh?
Probably 45.
45, 5,000 pounds.
4,000 or 5,000 pounds. It's got a 77mm clutch pulley on it. We're going to go fix later this weekend. So, got a few things to do to it. Nothing too special. Nothing too flashy.
No. Definitely a sleeper, you know? We appreciate you bringing it in, man, letting us work on it.
Absolutely.
We really do. Give us that nice launch. Here we go. So you guys heard from him, and now we get to see the launch. Let's see if it brings home the bacon, like they say. Beast mode. That sucker's quick.
Grab too.